Many people see celebrities getting a buzz cut and think it will look the same on them, but when they see the result, well, let's just say they look like a strange creature. Summer is approaching and there's nothing like a short haircut to stay cool, and it's also very convenient. But how do we know if a buzz cut will look good on us? The most important factor in getting this hairstyle is having an elongated face shape, because if we have a flattened one and we shave our hair off, our face will look very small. And with that type of face, we want to make it appear longer, not smaller. So people with very round or square faces will not look good with this type of hairstyle. It's also important to consider the symmetry of the head. If we have a somewhat deformed face, shaving our head will accentuate the bumps and it won't look good on us. If you have a well-shaped head but it's small, then this hairstyle is also not suitable for you, because you will look like a billiard ball, and that's not what we're looking for. It's also important to keep in mind that when we get a buzz cut, the hairline that limits the forehead will be very visible. So we need to have a thick hairline, because if we have problems with the volume of our hair, this defect will stand out. And that's it, guys. I hope this video has helped you avoiding looking like a bald monkey, and see you the next time.